Hello and welcome to Evolve Pipedrive Podcast, where we talk all things Pipedrive, sales, apps, and the Pipedrive marketplace. My name is Bruce Bignell. I own and run Evolve. We're a technology consultancy based in the UK, working globally, helping scaling businesses get more out of Pipedrive through implementation, consultancy, and training. Today, I have the great pleasure to be joined by Antoine Goret, the CMO at Crisp, and he's going to walk us through the Crisp platform and how it integrates with Pipedrive. Antoine, over to you.
Thank you very much for this opportunity, Bruce. Super excited to be here. So today I'm going to show you the Crisp integration that we've built with Pipedrive. So basically, Crisp is a multi-channel app desk platform for the Pipedrive community. We are offering a shared inbox that comes with more than 10 different channels that can be connected to your own team inbox. So you will have the ability to centralize emails, chat, SMS, phone calls, WhatsApp, Messenger, Line, Telegram, and other cool things. We also offer a knowledge base, a chatbot to help you increase sales on a 24 hours a day basis, and also lots of analytics and specific APIs that have helped us to create a great integration. So as you can see on that screen, I am right now on a chat conversation with a potential lead. And on the left side, I got my conversations. Over there, I got the thread. So I can simply reply back to the user. And on the right side, I got details about the customer or the lead I am facing. So we offer a magic browse, a video chat, assignment, everything that is required to offer a great customer service experience. But if we go down to the thing that interests us the most, this is the Pipedrive integration. So I'm gonna drop it to the top.
Nice, fully customizable, drag and drop, move it where you like. I like it.
Exactly. And as you can see here, synchronization has been automatically as soon as the email has been set within Crisp. So I know that Antoine has already a profile in Pipedrive. So if I click up there, I can have access, straight access to his profile, seeing that in fact, well, there is already 3 duplicates found about my profile and see all the other information that relates to the user. But you can also, straight from Crisp, create a deal if it feels like it's an interesting people you were speaking with. And you can also create and view all the related activities that relate to that user. I can also add that specific conversation, a link straight into Pipedrive to that Crisp conversation.
So what's interesting there, because this is a multi-channel inbox, it's not just an email that you can link to that person, right? That could have been a text message or Telegram or WhatsApp, right? Or whatever.
Exactly. It could be email, it could be chat, it could be a phone conversation, it could be Instagram, Line, Telegram, all the channels that we offer to the customers. Yeah.
Nice. And just I'm going to pause it on here. I'm just looking at what I can see just on this screen, right? So it says Antoine speaks English. Did that automatically do that? And then
Yeah.
that helps the rep then respond. Like how did that happen?
It's based on browser settings, in fact.
Okay.
So we grab that data from the browsers because it's a public information, and therefore it helps you to, offer a customized experience. Sometimes you don't speak your customer's language, and that's why we have built in a multilingual translation solution.
Nice.
That helps you to speak into more than 50 different languages in real time with any channels that you have connected to Crisp. So as you can see, I could modify it because sometimes, people of English set as in their browser, but they don't speak it. Maybe
Yep.
they speak Brazilian, maybe they speak Chinese, or they speak Vietnamese. And I could say, okay, Antoine, in fact, is speaking Vietnamese, and I can start to speak Vietnamese with him, right? So you see, I write in English as a sales rep. It will be translated in Vietnamese, and the one on the other side will see the message in Vietnamese. And when he or she will reply back, then she will get it in English.
That's so good. Yeah, I love that.
So yeah, that's pretty much about it, about the integration. It's everything can be done inside Crisp, and you can see that if I go back to my profile, then I should see the Crisp conversation that has been added. So it helps you to be aware that the lead that you've been talking with has maybe created an account on your product, but has also started a conversation with the support team or any other matters, and it helps you then when follow up to better personalize the experience with the user that you are targeting.
Yeah.
We've built this because we are using Pipedrive ourselves at Crisp. So yeah, it's based on our own usage, and it's pretty helpful.
So what else can I see down here? I can see reply, edit, note, reminders, shortcuts, help desk, magic reply.
Yeah, exactly. So in fact, you can edit messages that you've sent. Note is about more of a collaboration tool. So I can mention someone from my team, and therefore my colleague will receive a notification saying, "Hey, you've been mentioned into a conversation. Can you step into it?" And I might need help on that part. Reminder is just about do not forget to get back to someone that is requiring our help. Maybe if after a bug that has been resolved or everything, simply add a reminder, and then you can get back to him because the conversation comes back at the top, and you also get a notification about the reminder. Shortcuts or predefined messages. So, for example, we have some hello available in different languages with dynamic data available inside them, so that you can automatically say, "Hey, I am Antoine. How are you today?" and so on. Makes you more productive, and it works fine also for for the follow-ups. So it's pretty helpful. And the help desk is about the knowledge base articles. So from Crisp, you can create, edit, and manage knowledge base articles, and it can be accessible from your inbox, so that you don't have to switch from one tool to another anymore. Content is being spread super efficiently, and your customers can have access to their answers by themselves.
Very nice. Was there anything else you want to? So what else do we see on the platform here? Right. So on the left we have contacts. Those are Crisp contacts.
So it's kind of the contact management platform inside which you will get all your contacts that have been generated through the different channels that you've connected to Crisp, but also maybe the data that has been synchronized with your CRM or your database, because you can push data to Crisp using API or using native integrations such as Pipedrive, because there is a two-way synchronization between the solution if enabled. And I can show you the settings about that, especially. You see, and this is where you can configure the way you want your Pipedrive plugin to be working. So we have disabled the automatical synchronization for contacts, because we are using Pipedrive as a pre-sales tool, right? And that's why we don't want like all the contact to be synchronized, but it's interesting to synchronize Pipedrive contacts because we can know who we are facing every time, therefore helping our support agent that are not always aware they are dealing with a lead, that in fact this is a lead, so they get the context and they can engage the conversation in a better way
and understand the context of what they've, if they've already been a customer, what their kind of previous history's been with you as well. So it's
exactly. But yeah, then you can move to the help desk, for example. So over there, this is a place where you manage your articles. Okay, this is the place where you will find and maybe have the ability to edit your articles and can have access to the way it is shared to the world, right? So Then we have analytics, and then we have the plugin section. So this is where we will find all the existing integrations with other leading tools on the market. Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah, the other CRMs are available.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. But honestly, that's the first. The Pipedrive one is the one we have rebuilt first because we are Pipedrive users ourselves,
Yeah.
and this is why it meant the most to us. And I think that's really great. We had lots of great feedback from our customers, so we are looking forward to improve it even more.
Yeah, nice. Well, Antoine, is there anything else you want to show us today?
I don't think so. I think that's quite a good tour, and yeah, hope everyone will enjoy it.
Yeah, great. I mean, from my side, what I'd recommend is we'll have links in the description below to have your own trial or get a demo from the guys that side. I know a lot of the team pick up the customer support tickets and things like that, so you might even get to speak to Antoine that side if you reach out there. But we'll have links in the description below for you to try it out yourself. And Antoine, thank you very much for taking me through the platform.
My pleasure. Bye bye.
Ciao.